Do you want a cocktail that looks impressive but is ridiculously easy to make? My Bourbon Pomegranate Smash is about to become your new go-to. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. It's time for a cocktail, and today we're going to be making my Bourbon Pomegranate Smash. What is that? A Bourbon Pomegranate Smash is a wonderful combination of bourbon, pomegranate juice, which is tart and sweet, some fresh lemon, and this is one of those drinks that can be very fancy and refined or very casual, like on a nice summer's day out by the pool. Now this recipe will make us 2 drinks, so let's get started. We're going to start with the bourbon. Here's the kind I like. We just need 5 ounces or 150 mils. Just made it. Right in our glass. Next up is the pomegranate juice. Now this is the kind I like. Be sure that you get plain pomegranate, not pomegranate with blueberry or raspberry or anything like that. Just the plain. And we're just going to need 2 ounces or 60 mils. Beautiful color. Lemon juice is next. Fresh lemon juice, please. You just need 1 ounce or 30 mils, which is about the juice of half a lemon. I'm just going to go right in today. There we go. All right. Simple syrup is next. You need 1 ounce or 30 mils. Now, why am I adding simple syrup? The syrup is going to help all the fruit juices and the alcohol stay combined, and it's going to tone down the tartness of the lemon and the pomegranate and bring it together. 1 ounce, 30 mils. There we go. All right, I've got my shaker filled with ice. You know what's coming up. It's time for the shaky shaky. Here we go. Whew. Now that's a workout. Now how are we going to serve this? As I said, this could be a very refined drink or a very casual drink, depending on how you serve it. For me, I usually serve it in a cocktail glass, or you could serve it in a glass over ice. I have some little nugget ice from my little ice maker, and I'll leave you a link to that ice maker in the comments section. Let's see how this looks. Beautiful. How about a garnish? I'm going to garnish this with some fresh rosemary. Now you may think that's a little unusual, but the fresh rosemary, when you bring the glass up to your nose, to your mouth to take a sip, you're going to get the aroma of the rosemary, and it's just going to highlight the pomegranate and the bourbon. Let's give this a taste. That is delicious. It's tart, it's sweet, it's very refreshing. And I can definitely see this out by the pool on a hot summer day. Yeah. If you enjoyed this recipe, sign up for our newsletter and get new recipes delivered right into your inbox. Don't forget to subscribe and tap like. It really helps us grow. And if you'd like to go even further, consider joining as a channel member. You'll get special perks, behind the scenes extras, and you'll be part of the community helping us shape what we can create together. All right, I'm going to go sit and relax and enjoy my cocktail. While I do that, I want you to watch this episode over here. So until next time, cheers.